How to remove your Gmail account from another device. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, open up your Gmail account on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and after logging into your account, tap on your profile. Then tap on this option called manage your Google account. After tapping on that, it will lead you to the Google account. So here you all need to do is just swipe and tap on security. After tapping on security, scroll down, and here you'll be able to see the option of manage all devices over here. So just tap on manage all devices. So as you tap on that, you'll be able to see which devices have your Gmail account, and you can just sign out of that device. So you can just tap on any of this account, and here you can tap on sign out and tap on sign out, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.